Ian here, reporting on Best Exteriors Construction Incorporated, a Diamond certified general contractor serving homeowners throughout the Greater Bay Area. Our Diamond certified research shows that owner Irina Motronchik and her team provide a wide range of general contracting services, from window and door replacements to kitchen and bathroom remodeling. The company also has special expertise with exterior siding, working with all types of wood, fiber cement, vinyl, and green siding products. Founded in 2005, Best Exteriors Construction is known for pairing competitive pricing with personalized service. Sales Manager Alex Motronchik says the company often goes head-to-head with big box stores, but their low overhead and commitment to quality allows them to deliver high-quality results that stay within its clients' budgets. That's our report on Best Exteriors Construction, where, as Mr. Motronchik says, every project is a chance to earn a customer for life. I'm Ian Leary, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.